So far, what we've done is we've cooked eggs, rice, pasta, we've done some salads, we've done the steak, the schnitzel, of course. So let's now cook some of the things that you guys have done when you were kids. So in this episode, what we're going to do is go down there and actually interview some people and ask them what is the first thing that they cooked when they were left unsupervised. So what was the first thing you cooked?
2-minute noodles.
2-minute noodles,
Yeah.
fantastic, thanks. What was the first thing you cooked when you were left unsupervised without your parents at home?
Nothing.
Okay, must have cooked something. When you first cooked something, how old were you?
17.
And what did you cook?
Scrambled eggs.
What was the first thing that you cooked when you were left unsupervised at home alone?
It was scrambled eggs.
Probably.
I reckon it was scrambled eggs, and I think I was about 10 years old.
Fantastic, thank you. So what's the first thing that you cooked when you were left alone?
Spaghetti with sauce and tuna.
Wow, okay, cool. How old were you?
About 19.
19 years old.
Yeah.
Awesome, thanks Mick, cheers. What was the first thing that you cooked when you were left at home alone?
Frying egg.
Frying eggs, fantastic, thank you.
Thank you.
So let me ask you a quick question. What was the first thing that you cooked when you were left home unsupervised?
Pasta in a packet.
Pasta in a packet. How old were you?
Probably about 10.
About 10. Do you remember what pasta it was?
No.
Okay, thanks for that. Cheers. What's the first thing that you cooked when you were left home unsupervised?
Spaghetti with butter and cheese.
How old were you?
15?
Oh, cool. Thank you.
Welcome.
What was the first thing you cooked?
I would have cooked ceviches and fish fingers. I think I may have been about 10.
Awesome. Thank you for that.
Pleasure.
What was the first thing that you cooked when you were left unsupervised at home?
2-minute noodles.
Okay, and how old
Yeah.
were you?
12? 13? Yeah?
Cool, thank you.
No worries.
So what was the first thing that you cooked when you were left home unsupervised?
So it was a ham, cheese, and tomato toasty.
Mate, how old were you?
Between 8 and 9 years old.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you.
No worries, thank you.
Sir, just a quick question. What was the first thing that you cooked when you were left alone at home unsupervised?
When was the last time you had a hedgehog goulash?
8 years old. How'd you cook it?
On a shovel!
Okay. Thank you so much for your time. So needless to say, we're not cooking any hedgehog today. When we interviewed people out in the street, they said, you know, we cook 2-minute noodles, we cook pasta, we cook packet stuff. I've already on this channel shown you how to cook some eggs, some pasta, some rice, but today I'm going to show you how to cook 2-minute noodles. There are 2 variables to a standard 2-minute noodles. So here's my variation number 1. You've got your boiling water, very simple. We add our 2-minute noodles. Don't forget, add the magic powder. All that MSG goodness has to go somewhere. We wait for a few seconds just to make sure that it's actually boiled and softened the noodles. And then we're going to add our tuna, our chili, and our coriander. Doesn't take long, won't be a jiffy. So we're going to add our tuna, add some shallots or spring onions. We want to maintain a touch of crunch in this whole dish. So some beautiful red chilies. Give it a stir. Drop the lid. Turn the flame off. And we'll serve. What we have now is we have 2-minute noodles with tuna, shallots, and some chili, And we'll finish it off with a touch of coriander, and then you're good to go. Now the second variation that we're going to do is we're going to do 2-minute noodles with chicken. So again, we get our noodles, our water going, we grab our noodles, and because we're adding some original organic flavours, we're not going to use any of the magic powder. What we're going to do is we've pre-sliced some chicken before, we're going to add some chicken to the mix, put them and place them around your noodles. Just drop it in there. Lid back on. We've prepared our chili, spring onion, and some soy sauce. Give that a little bit of a quick stir. The chicken will poach really quickly, so don't fret. Add your shallots, or spring onions, add your capsicum and or fresh chili, a touch of light soy sauce, and we are ready to serve. We grab it out, we serve it with a hot broth. Once again, we're adding some fresh coriander. We'll give you a second alternative to some 2-minute noodles, which are super easy to do, really delicious, and I hope you try them at home. Please give us a thumbs up for the video. Please subscribe, and if you have any questions or have any ideas, comment below and we'll try to bring them to film for you. Thank you. Hello. What's the first thing that you cooked when you were at home as a child?
2-minute noodles.
Frying egg.
Spaghetti,
Scrambled eggs.
Spaghetti with butter and cheese.
pasta in a packet.
Chavachavis and fish fingers.
2-minute noodles.
Biryani rice, but that is not a biryani.
Yep.
It's like a zira plow.
Nothing.